pieces, you're beautiful, Namatomonobi, Iburumoto, Ibujifu, Iburu rice, Ibuja.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is OGOM'S series here again. Today I'll be showing you how to make peppered snail from scratch. Okay, now this meal will be a dinner inspiration or lunch or even breakfast. Now let me know when you'll be having this particular meal. I also want you to guess how much I got this particular snail from the market. Now if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share any of my videos, and I will see you. Thank you. Nobody's getting money from making video on YouTube. So guys, here is our snail. Okay, this has already been washed with lime in the market, and I've also washed it with salt. Okay, but it still has this slimy stuff on the body, for which you have to try to remove. Actually, the raise up the phone a little so they can be seen my hand. Yeah, that way. So which you have to wash the inside like very well. Open this up, wash the inside, because if you see the place where they're breaking this nail, I'm not sure you will chop snail, so you have to wash it very well so that the slimy stuff will go off. Okay, you can see there is still slimy stuff on it, so you have to wash very well, like very well. See, it's still coming out. So this is what I'll be doing. Hey. Put ball so come close inside the pot. Put inside the pot.
Oh, mommy. Leave my leg.
Sorry. So guys, these are the spices that we'll be using to spice our snail. We have curry powder here. We have rosemary powder. We have thyme. We have salt, and we have nut cubes here. So I'll be adding this into our snail. Add curry. You add rosemary. Wait, do I see what I'm doing? You add thyme. No, this one are bigger, matured ones. Then you add salt. Then you add nut cubes. So I'll be adding the 4 cubes. Yeah, so here is it. This is our snail. Just shake, or you turn with your spoon, and let's cook. So guys, here is our snail. You have to cook until this snail is very soft. Okay, it can be 20 to 30 minutes or 15 to 20 minutes. So this is it. It has been cooking. I haven't added any other water. It's cooking with the water that I added from the beginning. So here is it. Yeah, so see, very small chinkily small snail. We thinking is one big thing that you bought. This thing now 4,000 naira. This day that I hear. See, is it 4,000? Yes, it was 4,000. See. So right now our snail is boiled. You just have to check to know if it's soft to your satisfaction, but right now it is to mine. So I'll be setting this aside and I will start frying our yam. So guys, we'll be using yam. So it's going to be peppered snail with fried yam. So this is the yam we have in the house. So I'll be cutting this into cubes and I will show you.
Mommy, the video is going.
Yes, I know. guys, here is our yam. I left it inside water, if not it's going to turn brown. So I'll be pouring it in this sieve so that the excess water will go off. Okay. So I'll be adding salt and pepper. That is what I'll be using. Don't worry about that brown thing you're saying. That yam is okay. Yam is very expensive now, so we are eating it that way. So I'll be pouring. This one is Cameroon pepper, but it will serve as your pepper. Focus. Okay. Pour it on top. So this is another twist in case you want to try it out. So this one is salt. Pour it on your yam. Here is our yam, and here is our oil. Okay. Dissolve. So this thing I'm not using now. Just spread out your yam. One. So I'll be removing our yam right now. The white stuff you're seeing is black pepper or Cameroon pepper. Okay. So this is a paper towel, a paper towel. So here is it. So it will be able to soak up excess oil for me. So that is it. So guys, the trick here is that I want to fry this snail a little before I start doing it peppered, okay? So that it's not tasting raw. That is what I want to do. So this is a pan. Biko, ignore the pan. Oh, ignore this frying pan. I don't want to throw it away. So just leave it like this for me. So this is how the snail is looking now. So I'll be removing this, okay, and I'll be using the same oil to fry the pepper sauce. So add here. So here is our oil. I'll be adding in our onions. Yeah. This one. Here I have pepper, red pepper. Okay, I just want to show you guys. So this is our red pepper, and this is nut cubes. This is curry powder, salt. So these are the things I need for this pepper sauce. Yeah, I need to keep this somewhere. So here, Biko, it's okay. Then you stir very well. So right now I'll be adding in our curry powder and our Maggi, and then I'll be adding in our salt. Let me just cook with this before adding the second Maggi. So I say, guys, here is our pepper sauce. So right now I'll be adding in our snail. Okay, here is it, and stir together. Pull up our peppered snail. Okay, now remember that you can do this with normal blended pepper, like you blend your pepper and you won't be seeing it this way. Okay, but this one I use the hand blender. That is why you can see the pepper. So this is how it's looking. Okay, so peppered snail on the bits. So right now you will check taste, adjust for taste. If it doesn't have enough Maggi or enough salt, you can add more. But like this, I'm okay with what I have added. Remember, I didn't finish up the one full Maggi. So here you have it, peppered snail and that is it. So enjoy. So guys, here is our fried yam and peppered sauce. So I'll be dishing it out on this plate. Okay, you set like this. So yam is all set, so I'll be adding in our snail.